Hello guys. Oh blimey, we're getting warm in here. Right, I was checking my carbon monoxide detector and it was out of date. All carbon monoxide detectors have got a date on them, expiry date. This one, it says replaced by November 2012. So if you've got a carbon monoxide detector, check its date to see whether it's in date. If you haven't got one, then I advise you get one, because it could save your life. Basically, I got myself, as you can see there, I got myself a new one today, and well, just trying it out. I want to see how many parts per million it actually registers on. Now the old one, which was supposedly out of date, if you put the cooker on and the fire on together, it would it used to flash. The alarm light used to flash. Well, as you can see, with this one, it's oh no, that's a power light. There's nothing at all as yet. Anyway, keep it on a few more minutes. It's only been on about 2 minutes at the moment, so we'll keep you updated and we'll see what happens. Right, I've had it on for about 20 minutes now. I've had both rings on, I've had the heater on. It is about 24 degrees in here. I'm absolutely cooking, and he's not flashing. So I don't know where. I mean, you test it and it works, but you know, there's no sign. Well, I suppose that means I'm alright then. I'd have to try a smoke test on it. You know, I did say in the instructions you should try incense or something like that. So perhaps I'll try that. Anyway, this is basically a video just to remind you guys, if you've got a camper, to get yourself one of these little carbon monoxide detectors, because like I said, they could save your life. So cheers for now.